national. Kasi some tribe, marami sa kanila walang mga ID. They don't carry ID. So when you travel, bring them over. Kailangan ng ID. When you take the boat, just by sea or by air, kailangan ng mga ID. So yun ang mga and other logistical challenges, no? But we would like to look at that. Kaya nasabi namin with NCIP Chairperson Jennifer na, we'll talk about this and we'll pursue it, no, with their help. So we will have a second meeting with them. We invited them to observe and their office staff para makita na how this will be run in Ilocos. So with that siguro, we'll be able to kick-start yung question mo nga and hope to be able to participate. One is, hold muna our national. Kasi yung isang problema pa dyan, anong games? Diba pag national, kasi iba-ibang tribe nga eh. So then you also have to identify ano bang mga games that are played nationwide by all these tribes, no? And then selection pa. Yung Mindanao, Visayas, and hopefully we'll be able to participate in the future. Thank you.
Last na nag-cover ako ng